A group of high-ranking security officials and war veterans are reportedly mobilizing to stop President Emmerson Mnangagwa from extending his tenure of office. Zambia mashoko amudanyuka pana friends aiwa junta holds secret meeting to stop Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timina pana papa yendo amudanyura chiti. Mnangagwa's push for the 2030 agenda, a bid to extend his rule beyond his current term, has met resistance from within, particularly from military-backed Chiwenga loyalists. This powerful junta reportedly met at a certain farm in Mashonaland Central this week and deliberated on a decisive move to stop President Mnangagwa once and for all. In quotes, you hear what credible war veterans like Blessed Kesa are saying. He is not hallucinating, he is communicating a message from the script, and you must listen to him carefully, said a close source to the group, adding that the junta was losing patience with Mnangagwa's consolidation of power. Mashonaland Central has always been the home of anti-Mnangagwa junta activities and a venue for political coup. The late former Air Force Commander Terence Chidi used to hold secret meetings in the middle of his Bindura Arcadia Dam with his top allies, Baraza Isimondi, Bindura South MP, Remigius Matankira, and top ZANU-PF officials in that province. While Mnangagwa has worked tirelessly to weaken Chiwenga's influence, reports suggest that sections of military remain sympathetic to the vice presidency. This has fueled fears that any further sidelining of Chiwenga and his allies could provoke a military response similar to the one that led to Mnangagwa's downfall. Thomas Warbuda Panabanyongo since Kumana wait a secret meeting kuMashonaland vaida kustopa iti Mnangagwa once and for all. Vakomana vari kuno kunzi aiwa vari loya kuna general pakwa ine vari kuno kunzi vachamuka vakuya vachiti aiwa taneta hatisina patience aiwa nemukuru uyu